Alright guys, Mazda RX-7 right here, 13B engine, clutch, flywheel, pressure plate right there. You see the video. We installed the flywheel on this, torque this, big nut to spec, 300 foot-pounds with Loctite, the blue Loctite right there. So this is all set, ready to go with the brand new rear main seal. And then there's a big O-ring on the rear main housing. Make sure to change that big O-ring as well on the back. All right, so let's quickly install this pressure plate and the disc. Let's get started. Get all this disc lined up on the right side, transmission side right there, sticking out, and make sure you get the right tool going in there. So you can see the flywheel is rough. I can make that thing rough because it was a glaze, shiny glaze before. Just clean all your discs, get all this dust out. You can see here's the pressure plate right there, Exedi brand, made from Japan. So this is still good. Just make it rough on there. You see it's nice and rough. Same thing on the flywheel. All right, so I just use this round sandpaper on this electric tool right here, make it rough. Let's go like that. Okay, just make it nice and even, and then you use brake cleans and then a rag to clean all that dirt and mud out. Same thing on this side here. So this is ready to go. We're just gonna install this in here with make sure get your bolts ready, clean the treads with a white brush, and then thread locker right there, color blue. And then we just use a 14 mil socket on that. Torque this to spec. I believe there are 20 foot-pounds all around. All right, so let's start with lining up the dowel pins right there. There's 3 of them. Then just line everything up. Alright, so get all your bolts ready. Get the blue thread lock in there. Just a little dab in there. Just like that. So just gonna hand tight all these bolts, and then we'll snug it up and then torque it to spec. Alright, nice and snug. We're gonna torque it to spec as next. All right, 100 foot-pounds right there. Let's go. All right, guys, there we go. 20 foot-pounds. They're all 6 of them with blue Loctite, 20 foot-pounds. All right, take this out. It's lined up, and then there's a little spring right here. Make sure to put a high temp grease on here before you install it on the vehicle, on the transmission side. So make sure to put a grease in there. So this is ready to go, rock and roll. That's it, guys. Quick video on this RX-7. You can see it's all in pieces. We're gonna be installing that engine right away. But first, next video here, we're gonna clean this up. Sandpaper that side, the engine bay. I'm gonna do in this side is next. Wrap everything up because we're gonna paint the engine bay. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys again in the next one.